Alright, so I think I found the wire that was causing all the issues. Now, I'm not completely sure, but I did test it. It seemed like it worked. So, right there, there's supposed to be a jumper on these two pins. So I'm just going to solder them together so the jumper doesn't fall off. Because there was a jumper there originally, but I guess it went somewhere. Let's give it a try. See if she will run. I'm optimistic. I got faith in this one. Too bad I couldn't have found that before I ripped the whole car apart, but whatever. So, fuel pump on. Gauge is on. Let her crank. Well, that's about the longest that this car's ran in years. Pretty cool. Oh my God, she works. So long for that. But it's been 2 years since the car ran, so I'll let it get hot, see how it does.